So, my name is Mary Mercer, but everyone calls me Ellie. I'm a freshman exercise science major and work in the admissions office here at CSU as a student assistant. I'm also on Team 58 and lead tours of the campus for possible future students and families. I grew up here in the Columbus area out in Harris County until my parents moved to Peachtree City last year. I now live in the dorms downtown. Last semester, I went to a college in Tennessee called the University of the South, or SUNY, and I left due to COVID restrictions and a change in leadership, which resulted in a lot of different rules that I wasn't aware of beforehand. I have a 3-year-old black lab named Lily who I adore and take everywhere when possible. I miss her very much while living in the dorms and can't wait to be home with her again. I have played soccer my entire life and hope to play soccer on the intramural team next semester. I have an obsession with true crime and have thought about joining the FBI after college for a few years. My sweet boyfriend is also from Harris County and will be going to CSU next semester. I have a brother who's a D1 tennis player at Presbyterian College in South Carolina, and a younger sister who is a freshman in high school in Peachtree City. I hope to one day open a gym for young women who have body issues or lack the knowledge or confidence of what to do at the gym. I want to promote healthy living and help young girls cope with insecurities in the right ways and understand how to properly work out and eat without starving oneself. So again, my name is Mary Mercer, and I'm excited to be in this class.